Hello everyone, and welcome to our video series on Learn German for Beginners. In the last lesson, you learned about basic sentence structure. In this lesson, we will learn more about the relationship between a subject and a verb. So let's begin. Lección 10. Overview. Here is an overview of what we will learn in this lesson. The pronouns ich, which means I, du, which means you, informal, and sie, which means you, formal. What verb conjugation is, different verb endings, a short exercise at the end. Common sentences. Let's first look at 3 very common sentences you have already learned. Now, let's focus on the pronouns used in these sentences. Pronouns. When we talk about ourselves, we use ich, which means I. This is the first-person pronoun. When we talk about the second person, we use du, which is you, informal, and sie, which is you, formal. These pronouns were discussed in Lesson 7. Verb conjugation. Now let's look at verb conjugation. Verb conjugation means changing the verb according to the subject. Here are 3 sentences. Focus on the pronouns and the verb endings. In each sentence, the verb ending is different. These endings depend on the subject of the sentence. With ich, I, the verb ends in e. With du, you, informal, the verb ends in st. And with sie, you, formal, the verb ends in n. Example: wohnen, to live. The infinitive form of the verb is wohnen, which means to live. When we conjugate it, ich wohne, I live, du wohnst, you live, informal, sie wohnen, you live, formal. The conjugation for sie is the same as the infinitive form. Example: kommen, to come. The infinitive form is kommen, which means to come. Ich komme, I come, du kommst, you come, informal, sie kommen, you come, formal. Again, ich ends in e, du ends in st, and sie ends in en. Example: heißen, to be called. The infinitive form is heißen, which means to be called. Ich heiße, I am called. Du heißt, you are called, informal. Sie heißen, you are called, formal. Notice that with du we add only t, not st, because the verb already has an s sound. Example: sprechen, to speak. The infinitive form is sprechen, which means to speak. Ich spreche, I speak. Du sprichst, you speak, informal. Sie sprechen, you speak, formal. Here, the vowel changes from e to I. This is because sprechen is an irregular verb. We will learn more about irregular verbs in a separate video. Exercise. Now let's do a short exercise. You need to conjugate the verb and fill in the blanks. Sentence 1. Verb wohnen, to live. Subject ich, I. Ich wohne in Paris. I live in Paris. Sentence 2. Verb kommen, to come. Subject Sie, you, formal. Sie kommen aus Österreich. You come from Austria. Sentence 3. Verb sprechen, to speak. Subject du, you, informal. Du sprichst Englisch. You speak English. Very good. Summary. Let's summarize what we learned today.
German has different pronouns such as ich, I, du, you informal, and sie, you formal. The verb is conjugated according to the subject. Verb endings ich, du, st, sie, an. Some verbs are irregular and change their form. Stay connected with us so you don't miss the upcoming Session 11. Danke, thank you. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notifications for new videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.